watching hqbmw. Today we've headed up to the BMW gallery because we're working on a special project for the BMW gallery. They are offering a pre-winter service brake and fluid check for $249.95 for the month of October. This gets all your brakes checked, all your fluids checked, gets your vehicle prepared for the winter driving season, and why not? It's safety and security for you and your automobile. So I'm actually working on a bit of a small video production for them so that they can post on their social media. Why me? Well, if you guys remember, links above, when we got the tires mounted on the new wheels for Stone, I got a phone call with a very cool proposition, and the BMW gallery actually asked me to be their official brand ambassador for the gallery. So I'm going to be helping them with their social media and just to help promote the BMW gallery, and just like what I've already been doing, make you guys aware and my Instagram audience that the BMW will work on more than just BMWs, although BMW is what they specialize in. We are just going to help them do this quick 2-minute video clip. I'll bring you guys along, we'll head inside and show you guys kind of some of the behind the scenes footage of what we're going to do and what happened. Check out the M2 CS. All the carbon. M2 CS. Massive brakes. Alcantara. Manual. Price tag of $107 Canadian. That hood though, what a beauty.
we are good to go.
So that was a bit of the promo for the new ad coming up. I want to give a huge shout out to Craig for being a fantastic sport today and helping me with the ad and promotion for the BMW gallery. So thanks very much.
Thank you. You're welcome.
And keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to the BMW gallery. Let's head on inside. We're gonna go for a behind the scenes look at what winter specials the team has on the go. We're behind the scenes. This is the shop foreman, Craig, at the BMW gallery here. I understand that the BMW gallery is offering a pre-winter inspection. What does that entail, and why would one of the customers want to do something like that?
Well, today, Jeff, we're going to be looking at some filters on the vehicle. We're going to be testing the battery condition for winter time, and we're also going to be cleaning and inspecting some brake pad components. We will also perform a no-charge battery load test as part of our service. Canadian winters are notoriously harsh on batteries. Often many of us have seen the error message for increased battery discharge pop up on our display. This will give us some peace of mind going forward into the winter months that your battery is performing optimally. We will also inspect the engine air filters and cabin filters. This is especially important as a dirty air filter can contribute to reduced fuel economy and engine performance, and a dirty cabin microfilter can affect the performance of the windshield defrost feature. Servicing the brakes by cleaning and lubricating the brake calipers and pistons and all mating points helps to reduce brake noise, as well as premature wear that can be affected by caliper sticking from dirt and debris. Quickly stopping is a definite must during the slippery winter months.
This pre-winter brake and filter inspection runs from October 1st till the end of November for only $249.95. Get in touch with your appointment team today to schedule your personalized service.